Alright guys, today's tutorial is basically how to listen to music while in the Procreate app. So apparently I was told on numerous occasions that you cannot listen to music while you got the other app on, which in case in point was the case, because I could never listen to music every time you put it on YouTube, the app, or Google tried that way, it wouldn't work. So after extensive research, and obviously some people probably know this, some that are technically in their day, the possibility is that you can do it. So what we're going to do is you're going to come out of that and you're going to go to your settings like so. Okay, now what you want to do is, if I just come out of this quickly now and I click on settings, there should be something here that says multitask, and when I first looked it didn't. So luckily enough, someone actually had wrote in the comments saying that there was a place that it should be, but you had to search for it. Then I got freaked out. I couldn't even find the search bar. I was like this, where's the search thing? Oh, there it is. So basically what you got to do is, if you come to your settings for the first time, there'll be nothing there. So all you do is this and then the search bar. You're going to type in multi or MU and it says multitasking. Picture in picture is what you want toggled on. Okay. So now if I come out of this, I can swipe all this stuff out. Now at this stage, if I was to go into Google Chrome, now I tried this yesterday and it kind of worked but it didn't work. So the best way of doing it is actually through Safari. Okay, but the main thing you need to do here is you need to make sure that you write m.YouTube. So that's the mobile YouTube. Now it doesn't really do like a playlist as such. So the problem you have is that if you go to your playlist, it'll probably stop. So the best thing to do is actually go for like a, whatever it might be. Like my one, I prefer hip hop and all the rest of it. So I usually do this kind of stuff. Yeah. So that's playing, okay? And that's going to be like, what, an hour? Hour and 20 minutes. The next thing you got to do is put it on full screen. When you put it on full screen, this top button here allows you to put it in picture, and then you can move it wherever you want, which means you can hide it and then go back to your app. It'll probably stop, and then once it recalibrates, it starts back up again, and then you can carry on doing whatever you want to do. And it works in all apps. But the main thing I found is that you need to put it in Safari, not Google Chrome. And you can't use a playlist so far. But Google Chrome works, but you need to go back into Google Chrome, click one down, then start it, and then that's how it works. But you can do whatever you want with this now. You can hide it over here, move it if it's in the way, and it will keep playing. So now you can listen to music while you do your apps. Or in this case, like I prefer, I need it for when I'm drawing on Procreate or doing stuff, or I'm outside, car, train, whatever it might be. Now you can listen to whatever you want without downloading any more apps. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.